Hello everybody, my name is Soumya and today reading is all about will you have love marriage or arranged marriage requested by all my subscribers, viewers and some of my clients. They said why don't you do love and arranged marriage reading on English. So today I brought here for unmarried, single, divorcees. It's for everyone basically. Will you have love marriage or arranged marriage? So I have here as usual two decks. You have to choose between two decks. One is classic tarot deck and second is white rider deck. So you have to choose between these two decks, classic tarot and white rider deck, which is deck 2, and choose with your intuition and choose it wisely and relax and just choose. You can pause the video if you want to. Okay, so I'll start with my reading now for deck 1, those who choose this classic tarot. Okay, I'll keep this deck aside. Let's see, I'll be using my oracles for more guidance for you. So let's see what is there for deck 1. Will deck 1 have arranged marriage or love marriage? Angel spirit, please guide me. Angel spirit, please guide me for deck 1. Will deck 1 will have arranged marriage or love marriage? Those who choose deck 1, will they have love marriage or arranged marriage? Angel spirit, please guide me. King of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. I'll take some more cards. Two of Cups, Twin Soul Connection. I feel someone is holding on to you a lot. There was a breakup between you two both. As I told us, someone is holding. Queen of Swords is the 5 cards I chose, and the end of the deck is the Devil. I feel this is something related to a past, like someone is holding on to you. They want to connect to you, but they are not able to connect towards to you. Most of them are on ego. They are on this big ego that they will not go right now. They want you to connect to them. What I am having a feeling from inside. And for most of you, you had a big breakup on a past. You both are going on a big spiritual awakening. This is your transformation going on. Okay, and you both are like king and queen together, but you both are having many clashes. Okay, many fights in the past. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों की अभी भी चल रही हो, but you are also holding on to them a lot. Okay, and for most of you, this person is very addicted to you. They watches you from far. They watches you all the time. They are very addicted to you guys. They can't leave you. Okay, I am having a feeling like you are already being on a victory. You are working hard on yourself. You are making lots of money, abundance, and you are working on your partner also. Whether for some it could be a new person because there is a tower movement. For some it could be from past, as you or your person is holding on to you. So I feel this could be your twin soul, as Two of Cups came and they could come with an offer for you. So I will say this could be either a love marriage or love come arranged marriage for deck 1. Okay, so now let's see what our oracle says for deck 1. Will deck 1 have love marriage or arranged marriage? Angel spirit, please guide me. Angel spirit, please guide me. Angel spirit, please guide me for deck 1. Romantic feeling. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. As I told you, this person will come to you immediately. They are having a realization, they are still holding on to you, and you are also holding on to them. And this is a definitely a spiritual love connection. Okay, so this love will grow very strong, very very strong, and you both will gain a romantic feelings. You will pamper each other, you will go outside and disconnect with world, and you will definitely get married to this person. I am having a feeling like love marriage. For some it is a strong feeling, it is a love marriage, and for others it is love come arrange. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. Take what resonate with you. And sun signs, moon signs is like Aries is very strong here. What I am having a feeling, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces is very strong here. Okay, so Taurus is also very very approximate. So this was a reading for my deck 1 people, those who chose classic tarot. Now we'll move to our White Rider deck. We'll see what is there for our White Rider deck 2 people, those who choose this classic tarot deck 2. Let's see what is there for deck 2. What is there for our deck 2? Will you have love marriage or will you have arranged marriage? Deck 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. Will you have love marriage? The Fool. I feel you will make a decision between love marriage or arranged marriage. You are very much confused. You are being indecisive right now, or your person is being indecisive. Page of Cups. I feel like this person could be a new for some, and for some it could be your partner from past too. Judgment. Four of Cups. And last card we'll take is Four of Pentacles. Okay. Last end of the deck is the Hermit. I feel like this person is mostly on a hermit mode. They want to take rest, but they will make a leap of faith for some of you. For some of you, you will might take a leap of faith and make a decision like where you want to go, which way to choose, love or arrange. For some people over here, I am having a feeling you are getting many offers from your family, I guess. Okay, past you have ran away from this person because this person have disturbed you a lot. Okay, or this person have might left you on the cool, but you are out of the past, but you are not able to take a offer. Okay, whatever is coming to you, you have to accept the offer, because this man will be very gentle, very emotional towards to you for some of you, and you have to decide very soon because universe is with you both. And I feel this could be from family. Okay, what I am having a feeling, this could be a new person for some of you, and they could be an animal lovers or you could be an animal lover. Okay, and there could be a bird surrounded by you, what I am having a feeling. And you are moreover a giving person for deck 2, but you have to accept the offer because this person will be very emotional for you. या हो सकता है अगर आप जिससे भी डील कर रहे हो वो भी बहुत इमोशनल हो सकते हैं, बट what I am having a feeling here, you will have an arranged marriage. Now let's see what our oracle says. Will you have love marriage or will you have arranged marriage? Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. Will deck 2 will have arranged marriage or love marriage? I'll take one card. True love. As I said, this person could be very emotional for you, and this is your true love, but this is a new person. What I am having a feeling, and this could be a Capricorn, and I am having a feeling of Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Cancer a lot. Pisces is very prominent here. Libra. Okay, you or your person could be. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. Take what resonate with you. So this person will take action very slowly. Right now they are in very rest mode. They want to do yoga and all. They just looking after themselves right now. You are currently looking out to yourself. Okay, so you can be do yoga and all everything, or give a time on your health, beauty, looks. What I am having a feeling. Okay, guys, you're like an empress, you're like a queen, so you are looking after yourself more, but you will get definitely abundance, love a lot, because this is your true love, guys. Okay, so this is a romance of a lifetime. As I said, this person will come with you a big offer of love, true love. So accept this person, whosoever it is. Don't waste time for your past person that they will come to you. I feel like for some they might come, but it's on you. You have to accept them or not. But this marriage will be an definitely an arranged marriage by a new person. Okay. So this was my reading for about will you have love marriage or arranged marriage. So this was a general reading, guys. Take what resonate with you. I'll say again. So I am also giving a takeaway free reading. If you want a free reading, so do comment on my section below on my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe and comment as usual. And you will get a giveaway free reading from my side. Okay, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just click the bell button icon and subscribe my channel, and do comment below if you are new here, and contact me at Instagram by the name of Tarot with Soumya. Bye bye, guys. See you on my next video. See you soon. Love you all.